So, you want to learn the stock market? Maybe you've seen it somewhere. Maybe your old friend just talked about it. But either way, you're here. Let's see. What is the stock market? Easy. It's where you buy stocks. Stocks are a share of a company that is public. Public meaning it's listed on the stock market. Did you get that? Let me repeat. Stocks are like a small piece of a pie, and the big pie is the company. Not all companies share their stocks, only companies that are publicly listed, like in PSE or the Philippine Stock Exchange. There's different more around the world. Anyway, there's two ways to be involved in it. Invest it or trade it. There are those who invest in it, and that's okay. But for the small guys who can't wait 50 years and have a big capital, like how we all started in ZFT, we just trade it. Investing is basically buying a share of the company you like, then holding on to it. It's like marriage. You get to know the company intimately before you commit to it. Trading, on the other hand, well, you can say it's more fast-paced. Once it's no longer working out, you gotta get out. To be honest, sometimes we could be trading a particular stock, and they're all just names. We don't know what that company does. All we know is we like the way the price is moving. You know what they say, don't fall in love with a stock. The problem with investing is after waiting for so long, you could have picked wrong. Or that one single year can wipe out 5 years of growth in your portfolio. This doesn't bother the big boys. I mean, they can cash out somewhere else. But for us, we gotta be smarter than that. We need to learn how to dance in this market the way we are designed to do so. You could be trading like a fund manager if you don't have that much funds, no? We move different. So you gotta be tactical. Understand what you are. ZFT is a tribe of traders who uses the ZFT system. Boy, we got the best ones. We got champions and leaders. If you want results, this is where you go. That's why you belong here. But we got no time for people who love to pull each other apart. If you're into that, we ain't the right fit. If you're a complete newbie and you want to learn trading for free, like opening an account, reading price charts, and all the important and basic stuff, there's Trading for Rookies Facebook group. Head over there. But if you're familiar with the ways of the market, here's programs we got for you. Anyway, we're sure you got questions, so slide over our DMs and let's figure out how you can get started to this wonderland of money and how you can join the tribe.
Gusto mo ba mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung paano? We got you! Join our monthly online class now and pwede ka na mag-start mag-invest for as low as 10,000 pesos. This is totally free for everyone. Start your investment journey with us. Click down below to register for free.
Yon, good afternoon everyone. Tapos bakit minsan ko bigla? Okay, good afternoon. Adjust natin yung camera. Medyo masyadong malapit tayo, guys. Okay, it's another trading day, first trading day of the week, Monday. It's October 17. All right, so third week of this month, no? And we are again back with 2trade Asia and ZFT for our charting session or FGD. No? So I hope you guys are okay there. It's quite rainy here from where I am right now. May bagong bagyo ba, guys, or whatsoever? Bakit masyadong malakas yung ulan dito? So, I hope hindi nyo masyadong marinig yung background noise ng ulan, guys. But, first, we'll say hi to all those people who are tuning with us right now. We have Itsay Nishida, check. Nikolai Manzano, what's up, sir? Joshua, Joshua. Good afternoon. We have Nohai, good afternoon, sir. We have John Adrian. Mga Dota Boys, nandito pala. Mga Dota Boys. Cyrex from Cavite. Good afternoon, sir. Rainy afternoon to you. So, shout out sa mga Cavite ko, especially sa business partner ko na si Vincent from Cavite. Shout out sa iyo. Christopher, good afternoon. Good PM sa lahat. Boss Yuri, looking forward lagi sa mga juicy chart session. Salamat ng marami. Welcome, sir. And I'm so glad I'm adding value to you and especially in how you view the markets and trade, especially the Philippine market. Fritz, what's up? We have Paul, always present from Bacoor. Shout out sa lahat mga tropa pips natin dyan sa Bacoor. What's up sa inyo, guys? Lawrence, good afternoon. Myra, good afternoon. Leoven, good afternoon. Bien, andito din. Si Harold Malabanan, good afternoon. Christian Arkins, hey boss, what's up? What's up? Taga MY. Ano yung MY? Malaysia ba to? Tama ba? MY. Where's MY? Rick, what's up? Abroad Ako TV. Good afternoon, sir. We have Carl Sarmiento. What's up? What's up? Si Tres Neemas andito din. Good afternoon. John Mon, stay dry, Sir Yuri. Magandang hapon, everyone. Ayan. Stay safe, guys. Stay dry. Bahala nang hindi siya nagstay. Basta safe ka lang. Alright? So, hope you guys are okay there. Ayun. So, let's get into it. The market has been very interesting for the past few days because when we look at the US market, NASDAQ, US 500, and Bitcoin, I was looking at it past few days. Lumabas na yung pagtaas ng I think price what was that? Consumer index, right? And what's so funny is bumawi pala siya end of day. So it was the consumer price index, gap down yung US tsaka crypto. That was October 13, and we're looking at maybe the Philippine market will do the same. But what happened is bumawi pala yung other indexes. So the Philippine market did not react to it at all. Wala masyado reaction. And so right now, my gut tells me that I believe, and I want to believe that the Philippine market has reached its bottom already, but I still need to look at for further confirmation regarding the movement. So what I did for the last few days, especially Friday, namili-mili ako ng onting positions to every stock that I was looking at to trade. No, so I was buying around 5 stocks. We'll be discussing that later. And 4 out of 5 stocks that I bought are already green. So that's a good sign, no? That the market is, I think, starting to calm down. And let's try to review what's going on. Now, let me share my screen. Shout out kay Raymond Erespe. What's up, sir? Good afternoon sa'yo. Hope you are okay. Ayan, kakasal lang ata ni sir. Ang ganda ng profile pic. So, congratulations. Congratulations, sir. And si Joel din, nandito. Joel Pabilico. Taga-saan ka ba, Boss Joel? So, I'll be sharing my screen now and let's take a look at some of the market condition first, okay? And by the way, guys, don't mind the background noise. Masyadong malakas talaga yung ulan dito. So, sorry if medyo May background noise tayo. All right, so looking at it, this is the we have mapped already the Philippine market. We have mapped the potential support and resistances on the monthly charts, right? We have mapped this one already. We have we have drawn the line with our monthly support levels. This one, and then week here, this one too. This is the week support, and then we have the weekly. If you can check the weekly chart, this is the area that the market should um, make its potential support uh, levels. No, so by the way, guys, this is the problem of using a trend line. Look at this. So just to fit our bias, pwede natin i-gano, no? Yan! Alright. ganun, ganun pala mag-drawing ng trend line. Form fitting. Yeah, here in ZFT, actually we don't do trend line that much, but for the sake of our discussion, so that you guys would be able to um, see what's the trend of the market. So that's the reason why I'm adopting putting trend lines here. But for me, just for me, no, it's so subjective. That's for me again. That's for me. Other people are using it, and it's effectively using it in the market. So it's okay if you have rules and how to plot it. Personally, I don't have one, so I'm just being subjective regarding my plotting here. But you see the point. So I'm much more into horizontal lines, Darvas lines, Darvas boxes. That's what personally I love to do. All right. So here we have mapped the market, map already the market. I was saying here, Bandan, I was hoping that the market would, go down below 6,050 and then create a what they call last na pagpag sa mga weak hands, no? So especially for guys who are trying to catch the bottom here, I'm pretty sure that you were flash out here. So thank you very much for building our success. The building blocks of our success, no? Especially for mga ipet at mga hindi nakapaghintay. So thank you very much. So we are now patiently waiting. What happened here last Monday? This was October 22nd. No, October 3, sorry. So nag-bottom yung market here, short-term bottom, and then we have a gap here and rallied up until 6,040 something, and then make its higher low, first higher low here while maintaining the gap that we have here. So may gap tayo na 5,070, 80 to 5,8230. Okay, we have a gap here. So take note of that, guys. So if the gap won't be filled the next few weeks, if the next few days, it means that the market might be bottoming already. This might be the short-term bottom already. Why do I say that we have a short-term bottom? Because the market might still rally like this and then consolidate and make some, another run up. But if the market is really strong, it might create a new high. It will beat this high, create new high, and maybe another lower high over here. And then the market might recover in the next few weeks or so. All right. So the gap here is very important in analyzing what we are doing in the market. What is the sentiment? The sentiment is still basically fear, right? That's the sentiment that we have right now. But we need to follow what the market is saying. If there would be setups that's already working, and I've seen some, right? So we should be taking that. But first, of course, because there's no confirmation yet, right? We need to make sure that we are deploying minimal allocations only. All right. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Try to map the market and then try to see which stocks are very strong right now and which stocks are tradable. Okay. So I guess that's it. So what would be the expectation the next few days? We might be expecting a rally or maybe any movement. We just don't want to see the market go back to the gap over here. If it fills the gap, then that's gonna be a different story. But if the market still tries to continue to move forward, then we might be seeing a potential bottom here. All right. So, by the way, shout out to our Invest team. Invest team, hello sa inyo, sila Teen, sila Bless, and some pips. I hope you guys are okay and hope you guys are safe there. Stay dry, guys. So they are our precious teammates in 2trade Asia. No? So there's that with the market. So we're not gonna delete the drawing so that we can still continue looking at it. How would the market react in the next few days? So I've seen traders who extend trend lines like this. So I don't know if this is how you do it, guys. But personally, I don't use it. Um, what I'm seeing what I would like to see would be personally what I'd like to see would be something like this. I want the market to test. Okay, I want the market to test this resistance over here, and then consolidate, and then maybe break out from that range. So we still have a this part over here. This is a potential revisit. The market might potentially revisit that area. Okay. So individual stocks, check from Pasig, Kyle Jerome Jimena. What's up? What's up? So first stock that I'll be looking at would be SEC. Again, I know you guys. Some of you might react. Boss Yuri, ang tagal na nating tinitrade tong SEC. Hindi man lang tayo nakapag trade ng magandang gains dito. I know. We started trading SEC way back somewhere here at May, and it gave us only around 40%, but still, a lot of people was not able to get that. Dito kami medyo nagbomba na at this level and maybe this levels over here. So others were whipsaw here, I personally was whipsawed here. So hindi talaga masyadong mataas. Maybe 10%, 9% lang ata yung nag-gain namin dito sa movement ni SEC. But still, we cannot deny that this stock is strongly consolidating at longer time frame. Take a look at this very carefully, guys. We have a huge run up. Looking at it, tingnan mo, series of higher lows and higher highs and higher lows, especially the consolidation that this stock made from the month of September and August. No, it was not even, it did not go below the 50 line of this range. So it means that it is consolidating bullishly for the last 2 months or 3 months if you're gonna include October. And October tried, and this month, using our MA trails the weekly chart, we have identified that it's trailing at 50 MA, and some of the students were able to get here. Okay, namulit ata yung iba dito, but personally, I bought at the momentum candle which is this one, a break from this downward channel over here, and a remount of 10 and 20 MA, and a gap up and a breakout from 40, 45. So I bought here. That is our first entry with a very favorite setup with back with volume. So I want to see a follow-up the next day. So today is the follow-up day. I tried to rally at 42. You might be wondering, bakit may 42 dyan? It's because of the monthly chart. Okay, so we have resistance at monthly chart here, 42. It's a whole number. That's the number that must hold. Okay, if this stock wants to rally above and reach higher prices. So this is a all-time high stock. So you should be including this into your watch list, guys. No question about it. Kahit ilang beses ka na whipsaw nito, kahit wala kang magandang matrade nito, but it says that this stock is very strong and it might change. Give it some chance, no? So let's see if volume will pick up in the next few days, and then it might give us a good rally. All right. Speaking of, Simirara is a coal stock, right? So if you're gonna take a look at the coal, wala dito. Di ko alam kung ano ba dito sa coal commodity sa TMD. Try ko nga. Cashews, cold. Okay, hindi ko alam guys kung anong... Okay, wala dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong name ng chart. But what I'm seeing here in the other charting platform that I'm using, coal is 392. It's just making higher lows coming from the last low last October 7. So nag all-time high siya, fake all-time high no September. But let's see if this recovers. And you know, it might be a catalyst for Semerare to continue its movement. So yeah, number one watch list natin would be SCC. And then of course, next would be we have ABA. So ABA here, this is a coal stock too. So it's just consolidating very tightly here. We've boxed this already because we are expecting the stock to give us a momentum move inside the box. It might recover again the short-term MAs and break out at 230. So let's see. Looking at it, wala pa naman siyang galaw, any galaw. Ayan, it's just consolidating very very tightly. We don't want to preempt the movement here. We don't want to catch the bottom because we don't know where the bottom is. So what we want to make sure, what we want to do here is that we wait for a confirmation candle, a big green candle with back volume on it. Okay, so that's what we are looking at for ABA. All right. Okay. So next on the watch lists, so I have B setups that I did trade. Oh no, sorry. We have Ani pa pala guys. So for Ani, looking at it, this is very, very what do you call this? Interesting. Ani broke out from its boss resistance here at 537, and it was consolidating above 530. Okay, and then a rally then broke out from this level here. So this stock might has a potential, might still continue to rally. I just want to see that it creates a good consolidation pattern over here, maybe retest here or maybe consolidate tightly over here for a potential continuation. So that's what I'm looking at for Ani. Just be very careful with its liquidity. Okay? Ako po, sinisipan ako. Excuse me, guys. Grabe yung weather for the last few days. So, ayun. So, Ani, put it in the watch list because it is nicely going up, right? So, we might see a move kay Ani. No? So Ani is added on the watch list. Next would be Eagle. So unfortunately, guys, cut ako sa Eagle. So I tried to accumulate some shares at 1902, and then kita nyo to, guys. All right. So I first sold at 1870 and then 1850 and then 1830. So hindi na siya naka-recover kanina. So there's still a very huge gap here. Okay, if it does not fill that gap, kunyari mag-consolidate dyan, okay, there's still chances na it will still try to recover. But if it goes like that and fill the gap, wala na yan, guys. Okay. So right now, I sold, cut tayo dyan sa Eagle. So sa limang stock na trinade ko, and I made tranches, Eagle is the only stock that cut ako, and the rest are still green. Okay. So that's it. So Eagle would be out of our watch list as of the moment. Tanggal muna siya. By the way, going back kay SEC, may dividends pala to, guys. So just so you know. Where is it? Asia Pacific, Philippines. Ayun. So si SEC, may dividends pala to. I think on November 29, if I'm not mistaken. If tama tong ano, dito. Yeah, might be in November something. Let me see. Cash dividends. November 15 yung payment date? Hindi ko alam. Basta may cash dividends yan, guys. Alright? So, trade trade this very carefully because we know that during cash dividends, may mga ito earnings. This one, earnings. Earnings period pala to. Basta may cash dividends daw siya eh. Dividends. Ayan, X-date, dividends, this one, and then move downward. You have dividends to here, and then move downward. You have dividends to here and gap down. So lahat ng dividends ni Ani, may move siya downward, and then after the downward move, recovery. So that's what we're expecting here kay SEC pala, sorry. Now 15 yung payment date, sir. Ayan. So there you go. So sabi ni Alex, cash divs 3.75. At sabi naman ni John Mon that November 15 payment date ni SEC. Alright, so we still have like around 3 weeks for this. So we have Annie Eagle, SEC. Next on the list is, done natin tayo sa ABA. Next on the list is Web. Okay, so yung very exotic, no? Yung Pico. But I have traded Web. Nilagyan natin, if you can still remember, nilagyan natin dito, October 6, last Monday. Sabi ko, Web is very interesting stock to trade. Why? It's because looking at the monthly chart, monthly time frame, this is basically a pause movement ni Web, no? So momentum usually lasts around 3 to 5 candles. So then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth candle siya nag run up, and we have a volume as well. So when the stock tightly consolidated at this level, I started buying here at my favorite setup called CTP. Ayan. So this one, I bought here, but I'm just looking at to sell somewhere around 380 something siguro. Or maybe around 340, 350. Because it's still clearly on a range structure. So maybe nagbo-bottom lang siya kaya may run up time. So that's what I'm looking at. Maybe 380. If malakas siya, maybe 4. I don't know. Let's see what would the stock do in the next few days. Ayan. So from here, our buy point to here, so that's around 18%, right? Or to maybe 380, that's around 30%. If abutin niya. Okay? So looking at it, this is how it looks like. Ayan, may 100 MA pa rin. So 350 would be a good area to sell, I think. So I have this. I bought it October 14. That's one of the stocks that I bought. But then again, this is not an uptrend. This is not good for a trend follow. This is only good for swing and momentum trades. So short-term trades only. AP, next. So we have earnings on November 4, I think. So AP is just tightly consolidating. So we want to see it break out from this level. Then rallied some more for blue chips. But personally, I'm going to pass on it because I don't trade blue chips that much. Pero there would be some exemptions, no? Especially if they give us the MVP characteristic. All right. So that's what I'm looking at right now. So those are the stocks, I believe. Lastly, we have Emperador. So Emperador, unfortunately, I'm seeing weakness on it, guys. I'm seeing weakness because this stock, if this stock is strong, it should not create a weak move like this. So I'm seeing a lower high movement after the breakdown from this level. So it might continue breaking down. Hopefully not, no, but that's what I'm seeing right now. Charts don't lie, so we just have to make sure that, once it breaks down, you're not there, included and holding onto this stuff. All right. So what else? So those are basically LR. Sorry, I almost forgot this stock. So LR is still strong, definitely. There's no yet signs of distribution except at this candle over here. This one very clearly sell off volume. This one, right? October 6th with a high volume here and then just a small run up. This is a clear sell off, and then this one too. So it's tightly consolidating. This still has a chance to go up, right? If it breaks out at 290, if it breaks out, there's higher chances it can take out 320. So let's see if what would the stock do, or maybe it will catch up sa 20 MA before it starts moving, no? Ganyan, right? Then it might continue. So watch this. With LR is still there. So we need to make sure that if this breaks out, we need to be in this stock. All right. So, ayun. Ano itong mga drawing na to, guys? Bakit may mga ganyan? So, that's it for LR. LR is pretty strong stock still. Okay. We have, DMC too. Let's take a look at DMC. Magkapatid sila. Oh, recovered, ha? DMC, ha? Recovered just like SEC. So we are seeing an invalidation for the head and shoulders pattern. It's breaking out from this level at 1030 something, and it's challenging 1066. Is this hindi pa pala all time high? So definitely DMC is still one of the stocks that are very strong out there. So if I'm gonna choose between DMC and SEC, I'll go for SEC. A holding company si DMC, so medyo mabagal compared to SEC. So yun lang naman. Pero DMC is pretty much very good structure. So there's that. So one stock that I'm looking at, which is in a downtrend, okay, is SPNEC. Sabi ni Harry El Defonso, SPNEC bounce lang idol Yuri. Okay, so SPNEC, yeah, I personally have SPNEC. I got it at 108, 109. Okay, this level over here, I started buying here. I started buying here. Okay, kwento ko lang, guys, no? I first started traded SPNEC here, sold here, and then tried to get it here, sold again here, and then after this, nag-breakdown, and I was looking at this level, no? Yun yung mga levels na tinitingnan ko. And I saw that, okay, so no volume anymore at this level. So I tried to get it at 108, 109. So I got in again here. And then my confirmation for the breakout would be if it breaks and close above 112 and 10 MA. It breaks that level, then we're good with SPNEC. We might see a run up until 130. So, tingnan natin, guys. So this is the only stock that I'm trading at downtrends for a quick momentum bounce play. All right. So this is not for everyone. This is hard trade. So just make sure that you know what you're doing. So may multiple divergence and higher lows na tayo. Tapos na yung multiple divergence, higher lows na yung tinitingnan natin at this stock. So volume lang talaga yung hinihintay natin if it's gonna continue or not. Tech, may tinitingnan ka ba other than the stocks that I've mentioned? Excuse me po. Same lang daw. So, yep. So sabi ni Nickel Sir, naku po, hindi ko na nabalitaan si Nickel to ah. Alright. Everybody in the comments, type, you know the drill, 1, 2, 3. Teka lang, hindi ko pa nababasa sa dun sa yon. Very good. Thank you very much, Rochelle. So automatically this stock is downtrending. It's in inverse ALTS. You're not gonna be making money here. Okay, I tell you 100%, you're not gonna be making money here. So stop wasting your time looking at stocks like this and go focus for stocks that are uptrend. Okay, unless you're shorting this one, and unfortunately, PSC does not have any shorting. Okay, so pass on it. SSP, sabi ni Christopher. Okay, SSP tried to recover after the sell-off here. So if it needs to correct this V shape, this one, it needs to correct this one first by consolidating. Okay, and then boom. Okay, if we have a continuation for SFA, then that should be the structure that this stock should be doing. Okay, so we have a clear breakout naman here. Okay, so you just mark it out if you want to trade this stock. Ali. So this is what I've said before. No, Ali. So si Ali, I tried to bottom pick Ali too. I started buying here and sold everything here. It made a new low, and then right now, I believe we are now seeing a bullish divergence for Ali. But this is sabi ko, guys, look at stocks that are bugbog and are fundamentally good, and then you might be able to pick up gems. Okay, look at this, guys. Oh, this is the classic, pattern for universal. So nag-new low pa siya here. So you see, you are now seeing smileys, two smileys. Then right now the volume is picking up, or might be a bottom. We might see a continuation for Ali, but don't expect na super lakas niya or abutin niya agad yung 30, especially in this type of market environment. ME is done, sir. OC. Sino? Hi, Axlum. Low liquidity lang, lalamig. So let's check it out. Axilum. Oh, Axilum is very nice. So basing from the structure, we might be seeing a continuation for Axilum kung mag-breakout siya dyan sa level na yan. Low liquidity lang, guys. So be very careful with this stock. Nice spot. ASEX. The ASEX not so good for me. If I'm gonna do a FIBO here, guys, all right, it's still consolidating from the lows here. It's still consolidating below 50, this level. So this stock needs to take this out, and then ito pa yung kalaban niya. So dapat mag-consolidate siya somewhere here for me to be able to say that this might have a chance to continue. So setup-wise, wala akong setup dito. Okay. Setup-wise, wala akong setup. But, again, this is a potential stage 2 ng run-up. So we have a run-up here, then we have at 618 and consolidate. So if it recovers at 50 and 382, we might see a breakout here, but not soon. Looking at it, not soon. Okay, that's for ASICs. So, RIF USDT perp, okay, maling charting platform mo. Maling live session yung sinalihan mo, sir. Sa PSE lang tayo. Okay, sa PSE lang po tayo, boss. So, kindly limit the stock sa Philippine market only. Boss need AJ. Okay. Ano pa bang tinitignan niya, guys? Other than that, Bloom did not recover. JFC started to recover. Ito. Si Converge. Looking at it, already, I think bottomed out already. A problem that is trying to form like a bear flag. It's trying to trap people, and we might see a continuation downward. No, this is an all-time low, so I just avoid this. I think just avoid trading this. We might see this at 10 pesos. MBT, no, it did not recover. Looking at it, ito yung tinitignan natin kay MBT. Made a setback. This is my setup for shorting. Okay, it's a very setup for shorting. Breakdown here and then setbacks. Okay, short here. Especially if it breaks down there, it's another short. But unfortunately, walang shorting, no. So MBT, I'll pass on it. Wilcon. Okay, nalagyan na natin ng marka to si Wilcon. So right now, watch but no touch. Yan si Wilco. Watch but no touch. So you know the drill. If it recovers at 30 and 31, I'm gonna make sure that we will be trading this stock. Keeper, no. Unless you're bottom picking, I don't suggest that you buy this stock. Let me see the top gainers. MJC, Ali, PXP. PXP tried to rally. Okay. No setup here whatsoever. Yeah, no setup. Mahirap i-trade. Doon tayo sa easy trade, guys. So, web is here. Lang guys, titingnan ko lang yung mga top gainers natin. DMC New PH. Yung active, pinaka-active is SMPH, SCC, Ali, SM, DMC, EV, Jollibee, ICT, then Monde. Yak, si Monde, namatay na pala to. Guys! Ako po, Monde, ano na, Mark Salabaw. Dito ba si Mark Salabaw, guys? Mark Salabaw, what's up? Alright, so never trade the stock, Monde, X na yan, guys. Dito, okay, may tumitingin pa pala dito. Ay, yak! Alright, i-type na dyan, guys. Yak! Paki-type dyan sa chat. Yak! Right? So, you should not be trading this stock, guys. UBP. Alright, let's take a look at UBP. So, if you have questions, guys, anything trading related, you may chat it in our comment section. UBP. So, looking at it, UBP, no. Clearly denied here, and then it went down. But question ako, si Joshua ba nagbenta na si Eagle? Ay, hindi. Nagbenta na pala si Eagle, si Joshua dito. Si Tech pala yung naka-hold, tas nagbenta ngayon. Tama. So, they both got in here at the breakout and then sold here. Josh sold somewhere here. The Tech sold somewhere here. So, I think same lang sila ng benta average. One sold at strength, one sold at weakness. CNPF. Take a look at CNPF. CNPF, no. It's pass for me still. So, masyadong magulo yung chart na. Hindi ko pa maintindihan. So, I'll pass on. My question si Nohay dito. Boss, would you consider nag-build up si Glow kasi it's moving against the index? Index making lower low. Glow is consolidating. So, let's take a look at Globe. Boom. Alright. So, sabi ni Nohay, looking at it, are you seeing a accumulation pattern? Basically, that's what she's asking for Globe. Okay? While the index, dati si index dito, guys. Para makita natin. Si PSE. Ayan. PSE. Alright. So, what I'm seeing is actually just, if you're gonna compare, if you're gonna compare the PSE and indexes, Globe and index, it's just basically following the pattern. Kita nyo ba? The index is down, Globe is also down. The index rallied here, the Globe also rallied here. The index went down here, Globe also went. So I'm not seeing any accumulation pattern. I'm not seeing big green candles. This one, no, that much. No, ito, tignan mo guys, oh. The majority of the volume that we're seeing are red. So, no, the answer for this is no. Definitely not. If titignan niyo siya, maganda siya, no? Parang, potential, back siya dyan. Diba? But I think context would still be good. Alright. So, I would not suggest to, you might consider this as like a bottom pick, blue chip type of investment. I don't know. But structure-wise, it's not basically a strong stock. That's what I mean. So this stock might be tradable, but it's still under the range. So maliit lang yung upside mo, I think, for this. So those are just my 2 cents. Okay, that's all my comments. I'm not sure if it's gonna go up or not. I don't have any hold on that, but that's how I will analyze Globe. All right. So ICT. By the way, before we continue, I'd just like to plug our 2trade Asia account. Again, our promo is still up for 10,000 pesos only. You can open an account with 2trade Asia. Grabe naman, ang sexy naman ng profile pic ni Boss John Bill Chua dito, Brad. Nakakaano naman. So, shout out kay Boss. Na-distract ako konti, saglit na na. So, 2trade Asia, again, 2trade Asia. You may want to click on the link we have provided below and open an account with us just for just 10,000 pesos. Join a webinar first, and then you can open an account with 2trade Asia. So automation would be there, and upgrade would be, I think, end of month or end of this year, we would be able to release the upgrade. So hopefully soon we'll get to see the changes. All right. So what's up pala sa mga TIP students namin, the immersion program that's under Cosmos and Eurelicious. So hope you guys are learning a lot there. I'll be seeing you guys and teach you guys November 1st. The first week of November. So see you. Wait. AJ Gomez, boss, ask ko lang, may bear traps pa din po ba sa PSE kahit walang short? Of course. There's a lot of bear traps happening on a bear market, guys. So say for example, on a bear market, false breakouts usually happen, leaving us traps. So say for example, this one. This is a bear trap. This is a bull trap, and then diba nag-rally. So bulls were trapped here and squeezed here. Bear traps happen below. So, bear traps usually nangyayari for bottoming moves. Ano ba yung last na bear trap nun? Hindi ko na maalala yung mga downtrend kasi masyadong trade dati, guys. So bear trap. Okay. So this one, I think, ASIN. Okay. Alam ko may, ayan, this one. So this is a bear trap. Looking at it, so we have a box here, we have a box here. So may breakdown tayo dyan. This is a classic bear trap. Okay? Pag yung mga, especially if you are buying here or you're buying here, breakout, pag na dito, and then stock try to rally some more higher, right? So that is a classic bear trap. Yes. Ano po yung term na sepangs? Sepangs is basically separation anxiety. Yun yung ano, guys, pag anong tawag dito? Pag umalis yung jowa mo tapos nang matagal na panahon. Okay? And you've been together for quite some time. Ayaw mong mahiwalay, no? Yun yung mga examples natin sa separation anxiety. Okay? So SPNEC daw, sabi ni Madam Rush. So yeah, I think SPNEC would be considered a bear trap. So this one, this might be a bear trap. In hindsight, guys, hindi mo pa alam kasi hindi pa naman siya nag-rally, no? Kung nag-rally lang, most likely bear trap na nangyayari dito. So tinanap lahat ng bear, pagpag. So baka may ganun pa before the run. So tingnan natin and we'll just adjust moving forward. So may gusto ko tignan AEV. AEV, very good stock to look at. AEV, we have a run up, and then right now it's consolidating and trying to recover. So we might see a challenge here soon. The highs, dito, maybe dito. Monthly. Oh yeah, AEV is very actually nice. Okay. So some stocks that I'm looking at for the next year's rally, siguro AP. With Boites Power Corporation. This one could be a good stock for the next year. SCC, definitely under that. I'm not sure with LR though, but LR short-term movement, pwede, but I'm not sure if the long-term chart will give us a upside pa in the next year. So October lang and November, December, so 2 more months, end of year na. So that would be the outlook that we have. So bullish tayo next year, hopefully. Looking at it, guys, nakakapagod na. Sawa na kami. Tignan nyo yung downtrend natin, guys, ha. From February, basically, when we started this year, February up until July, 7 months downtrend. So meaning, wala masyadong kinikita dito yung mga tao. Okay? Wala masyadong kinikita yung mga tao dito. And then we have a rally here. And that's it. After that rally, wala. Downtrend ulit. So today is October. So what? 10 months. Almost 10 months na tayong downtrend. Okay? So this was actually one of the longest downtrends that I've experienced 10 months. Kasi I think last 2018, I only had experienced like 6 months downtrend. And for me, napakatagal na yun. 2018, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, this one! Ayan, ito sinasabi ko, guys. So this one, February to nag-start din. Then in June, nag-recover in July. And then, nag-bottom out October. Hala! Following the script, guys, oh. Following the script, October 2018, nag-bottom. Okay? So, binasag niya dito yung lows. Okay? Binasag niya, nag-double bottom here. And then, market recovery. After ng recovery to, choppy na naman to, guys. I could clearly remember this. Choppy na naman tong move na to. Pero, may malalakas na movement from here to here. So, this one is tradable. So, we might see that kind of move sa PSE, October, November. So, hopefully, we'll have a, a good run, okay, for PSE. So, I guess that's it for today. It's already 3:52. Like I've mentioned, tranches lang yung deploy natin. I still don't see any true market leader characteristics. So sa mga TR dyan, dapat yung ginagawa nyo are tranches lang. If you're trading, you deploy 10%, 10%, 10%. That's it. No more than 10%, guys. 15% max siguro, but I suggest 10% per trade muna and then sell it once you get a good gain, 10%, 12%, just sell it. And once we see in the next few days that all the setups that we are looking at has a continuation, then we bomba and increase our allocation to 30, 50, and maybe hopefully by next year, we can now go very aggressive, 50% and 80%. But right now, please, even the market is saying that, we might have a potential bottom, but do not be aggressive still, especially if you don't have any clue what you're doing yet or any experience yet about bottoming markets. Wait for confirmation. Just be patient. Patience will always get reward. It always gets reward when the market tells you that it's gonna reverse. Okay? So protect the capital. Again, shout out to our 2trade Asia family. You have been invited sa TR Homecoming. See you guys November 20. Kailan ulit yun? 26? Ayan na, nakita ko na si Money Growers naglalaro ng Dota, guys. So baka mag-invite na naman to. At ayun. November 26. Tama, November 26. So shout out pala sa mga students dyan kay Money Growers, guys. Boss Z and me and Money Growers and Vincent actually met last month or this month lang ba yun? Eat out, kamustahan and stuff like that. So hope you guys are doing well, especially the students ni MG. So stay safe everyone. I think that's it. Sorry, 3:54 p.m. Wala na tayong titignan, iba? But yun lang yung last words ko for today. Have a good one, guys. Stay delicious, you're delicious. Out. Bye.
Gusto mo ba mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung papaano? We got you! Join our monthly online class now and pwede ka na mag-start mag-invest for as low as 10,000 pesos. This is totally free for everyone. Start your investment journey with us. Click down below to register for free.